guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Today I want to give a special whoop whoop to Curly Girl's Life. You were the first one to comment on my last video, so I see you, see me, so I want people to see you, okay? So whoop whoop to you. Today's video is going to be how I infuse my aloe vera powder and my hibiscus powder in with my olive oil. So if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I will leave this powder to sit for about like 3 weeks to a month. I really like it to get infused. I don't want to do like a hot water bath or anything like that, so I will just leave it to sit on my counter or wherever I'm choosing to let it sit at in a dark area. After the oil's infused, I will either strain some of the oil off of it so I don't get the powder in my hair, or else if I'm wanting to do like a deep treatment, I will stir up the powders and then pour the oil into like my conditioner, heat it up. There's so many ways that I use these types of oils, you guys. So if you watch my videos, then you will see like, hey, this is the oil that she's talking about. So yeah, there's so many ways, like I said, that I use these oils. You just kind of have to watch my videos here and there. But I just gave y'all a couple tips on how I use it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.